If you have a lawnmower, you keep it clean like we do ours, and it acts like it's running out of gas, there's a few things you need to check before you buy anything. First off, check your air cleaner. Make sure that it's clean. Ours is clean because I cleaned this and I put a new filter on it. The other one really needed to be changed. Check your fuel filter here to make sure it's not nasty. Ours was, so I changed it just to see if that was a problem. That wasn't it. Of course, I looked in the tank to make sure we had gas, and of course it had gas. Then I looked at a few other things, spark plugs, anything I could think of, I tried to check. Everything was good. So I got to the last, few ideas I had, and I was like, well, when I had ordered this kit to change the filter, it came with the fuel filter, air filter, 2 spark plugs, and this little shutoff valve right here, and this rubber line. So I decided to put the fuel filter on there, and I took this part of the hose right here and I stretched it around right here, and I turned this fuel valve on, and I didn't hardly have any fuel coming out. So I thought, I wonder if the tank stopped up. So I took this other side of the line off right here. When I took that off, I had a gush of fuel coming out. So this valve right here, when I took it off and looked at it, it was full of grass. Now, I don't know where that grass could have came from or how it would have got in the tank, but that seemed to be the problem. And I did all kinds of research, talked to all kinds of people. They all had all kinds of ideas. Of course, the one person I did talk to, my dad, said, your fuel tank stopped up, clean your fuel tank out. Well, it wound up being that fuel shutoff. Most mowers have them these days. You just have to look around and find them. And it's got a smaller port than the line, so that catches all that fuel. Alright, that's all I got on this today. If you like the content, please subscribe, like the video, dislike it, comment. If you have any questions, I will try to answer them. We've only had this about 1.5 years, and it's been run pretty hard. I've had to do a lot to it, so thanks for watching.